The time shift function, which is a part of Time Machine feature in your smart TV, allows you to rewind live TV and catch up on any scenes you might have missed. To use Time Machine, you need a USB storage device. First, connect the USB storage device to the USB port at the back of the TV. On the live TV screen, gently press the wheel button on the magic remote control. Select the Options button that appears on the right side of the bar at the bottom of the screen, and then select the USB device initialization. After initializing the USB device, you can start using the time shift function. To watch a scene again, gently press the wheel button on the magic remote control. Select the Rewind button on the bar at the bottom to return to a scene shown 10 seconds ago in the broadcast and watch the scene again.